Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Tazib sir, and today, students, we are going to learn a new chapter. Okay, chapter number 4 is done here. Only exercise number 4A, 4B, and 4C, and 4C further we are not performing in further exercise after 4C it will be not come in our exam. So students, now we will start it here. We started here the new chapter. Okay, here we are going to learn two new chapter. Okay students, now today we are going to learn new two chapters with together. Okay, so first of all, let's check here today's quote, and then after we move, students. So today's quote is, the two most powerful warriors is the patience and time. Okay, means the two most powerful warriors is the patience and time. Okay, I hope you all are understood. And now let's check here today's content, and this contents we are going to follow, and today this contents we are going to learn. So students, today's this content we are going to learn. Again I repeat, okay, chapter number 5, new chapter. Our chapter number 4 is done, students. Again I repeat here, chapter number 4 is done here. Okay, and only exercise number 4A, 4B, and 4C will come in our essay 1 exam, in same one exam. Understood, my dear students? So now today we are going to learn our today chapter number 5 factors, and chapter number 6 multiples. Okay, chapter number 5 is what? Factors, and chapter number 6 is multiples. Okay students, you thinking now, why sir it started two chapter with together? But students, these both chapters are connected to each other. What? These both chapters are connected to each other, so that's why I am taking here the both chapters together. Okay, one concept to solve other things, and other concept to these things. Okay, so factors are important to the multiples. Okay, so here we are taking both parallel chapters. Okay, so now we understand the introductions and what is the multiples, what is the factors. We are doing this here. Okay, so now our chapter number 5 is factor, and chapter number 6 is multiple. What is the factors and multiples? Okay, introductions of factor and multiples. These things are we are going to learn today. Chapter number 5 factors. Again I repeat, students, chapter number 5 factors, chapter number 6 multiples. And new topic is, what is the factors and multiples? Introductions of factors and multiples. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we starting here the chapter number 5. Okay students, so let's check here what is the chapter number 5. Okay, what is the chapter number 5? So chapter number 5, its name is the factor, and chapter number 6, its name is what? Multiples. Okay, so students, factor and multiples we are going to learn today. Okay, factors and multiples we are going to learn today. So now we move on. First of all, what is the factors, and then after we move on, what is the multiples. Understood, my dear students? So now let's check here. A new topic means chapter starting, means a definition, means what is the meaning of both word factors and multiples. So let's check here what is the factors. Okay, so here we check the what is the factor. Okay, so now one by one we do here all things. Okay students, a factor of a number. A factor of a number is any amount that divided into that number exactly leaving, okay, exactly leaving no remainder. Means that time not any remainder, leaving no remainder. Again I repeat, and you put the weight on that word, leaving no reminder, sorry. Okay, you put the weight on that word. Which word? leaving no remainder. Again I repeat, my dear students, a factor of number is any amount that divides into that number, exactly, leaving no remainder. What exactly? Leaving a no remainder. Okay, so now let's check here its example. Okay, before telling any example, let's check here, students. I was repeated to you again and again, but you do betterly. Okay, so students, again I repeat here, you must be, not a must be, mandatory. Okay, you mandatory learn these all things. Okay, so top tip is what? Learn your times table means table through to easy find factor. So you must be learn this all table number 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to 20. So students, you learn times tables thoroughly to easy find a factor. Now students, let's check here example of factor. But again I repeat here, what is the factor, and then after we move on example. A factor of the number is any amount that divided into that number, exactly leaving a no remainder. So students, I hope you all are understood is meaning of factors. Okay, it usually to write the factor of number in order list like this. Okay, whenever you write the students, whenever you start writing the factors, so that time you have follow the orders. Okay, you follow the 1 to till 100, that number, that order you are going to follow, we are going to follow. Okay, don't write to a 1 4 2 as like that. Okay, we write as like that, we writing as like that 1 2 3 4 in sequence, in order. Okay, is we write in numericals order. Okay, means numerical orders, not in a different orders. So students, we must be do these things. Okay, now example, 2 is the factor of 12. It means what? 2 is the factor of 12, means in table number 2, 12 will become, yes or no? Yes, obviously 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12, means we have to check in table number 2, means we are solving this sum, we are finding the factors. How can we find? See here, 2 is the factor of 12. It means what? 2 is the factor of 12. It means in table number 2, 12 will become or not? Yes, obviously 12 will become, but where, students, we don't know. So that time we speak the tables. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Obviously, okay, 2 is the factor of 12. That time we say, because 2 goes into the 12 6 times, means 2 6 are. How many times? 2 plus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6 are 12. Okay, so we 2 goes into the 12 times, means 2 6 are 12. This means that 6 is also a factor of 12. Okay, and it's front of you. Okay, its example is front of you. Here all are the factors of 12, means, okay, so any means this 12 is divided with any number, so we get the 12. It's called a factor of 12. So 12 1s are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. See, 1 2 3 is in order, and after 6 2s are, see 12 1s are 12, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so this is a 3 possibility to factors of 12. How many possibility of the factors? Okay, 3. 1 12 are, means 12 1s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. And one more thing, students, I repeat here, you must be learn your tables thoroughly to easily find a factor. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood what is a factor and an example. Okay, so now we move on a new topic, means what is the multiples. Here we have done these factors, and now we move on the multiples. So let's check here the what is a multiple. So let's check here, students, what is a multiple. First its definition, and then after we check its example. Then next topic is what is the multiple. So students, we have done what is the factor, and now we are going to learn what is the multiple. Okay, first of all let's check here the definition, and then after we check its example. So definition means a meaning of multiple is a multiple of a number is the result of the multiplying. What is the meaning of multiple? Multiple is the result of multiplying that number. Okay, so by an integrate means a whole number, integrate means a whole number, just like times table. Times table means tables. Okay, so some multiples of 2 means in 2 twos are means as like, it means what? In table number 2, that all number will become or not? Yes, students, yes, that all number will become on the 2. Okay, so students, what is the meaning of multiply? Multiply meaning multiply, that is multiply means a multiple of that number is the result of multiplying that number. Okay, whole number. So some multiple of 2, 4, 8, 20 and 4. Then after some multiplies of 3, 15, 13, 16 and 9. And some multiply of 5, 25, 50, 20 and 55. Okay, so students, I hope you all are understood. I hope you all are enjoying our lecture. So if one number is multiply of another, it will divide exactly with no remainder. Again, that situation, that condition, that instruction will come. If one number is the multiple of another, means one number is multiple of another, it will divided exactly with no remainder. Means 2 divided by 12 in table number 2, 12 will become, yes, obviously 2 6 are 12. So 12 is the multiple of 2, means 2 2s are 2 4s. Okay, 2 4s are as like that. Okay, all my dear students, 2 4 6 8 10 or 12. Okay, so that is the multiple. Okay, that is the multiple. Then after 15 divided by 3 divided by 15. So table number 3, in table number 3 50 will become, yes, obviously 50 will come that. So what to do all students? 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the multiple of 3. Means we have to check the multiple as like the divider. We have to divide and then after we check. Okay, so how can we check this multiple? 12. 3 divided by 12. So 3 4s are how many all students? 12. So it's the multiple of what? Multiple of 15. Okay, so it's correct answer. Okay, I hope you all are understood better. Okay, one more instructions here. Top tip: use division to find. Use here find the multiple. We use the division to find out if so students, again I repeat, if the one number is the multiple of another, it will divide exactly with no remainder. Okay, so again I read these instructions. You use a division to find. Use the division to find out if one number is the multiple of another. You can also use the divisibility test or rule for a large number. Means we are verify with the divisibility test or large number. We check by the divisibility method. Okay, so now we move on further. Okay, now what is the difference between factors and multiples? So let's check here, and what is the exactly factor and multiples. Okay, so students, let's check here factors and multiples. So students, the numbers that are multiplied to get a given number. Okay, now that given number we multiply with. Okay, so factor of 12. So here our question is what? Factor of 12. So students, in table number 1, 12 will become, yes, 12 ones are 12 and 1 12s are 12. As like that, in table number 2, 12 will become or not, students? Yes, 2 6s are 12. In table number 3, 12 will become or not, all students? Yes, but where? 3 4s are 6. Okay, and here in table number 4, 12 will become, yes, 4 3s are 12, and 6 2s are 12, and 12 ones are 12. It's okay. A factor itself number divided with, we get the itself answer. Okay, it's that digit, we get that digit. Okay, there will always be a few factors because there are a number of ways to multiply to get a given number. Okay, in those numbers, students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 12. Okay, is that factors, only a 12 will become in that tables. Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood betterly, my dear students. A factor the numbers that are multiplied to get a given number. Factor of 12, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 1 2 3 4 6 or 12. Okay, factor of 12 is what? 1 2 3 4 6 or 12. It means 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and 12 ones are 12. As like that, my dear students. So there will always be a few factors because there are a set number of ways to multiply to get a given number. Understood? Then after multiples. So which situation and what situation of multiples? So multiples, the number you say when you skip count by a given number. What? Skip count by given number. Okay, skip count, we have to one digit skip, means 12 12 plus 14 14 plus 36, sorry, 12 12 plus 24 24 plus 12 means 36. As like that we are going to do. So students, we do. So read the multiples. The number you say when you skip counting, the number you say when you skip count by a given number. Okay, so multiple, now here first of all we have done a factor of 12, and then now we move on the multiple of 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 16, 72, 84, 96 and 108. Okay, so etc. means that number, those numbers are multiple of 12. Okay, so now again I repeat these things. There will always be a more multiples because a number are infinite, means we cannot count it, that number. Okay, infinite means more than numbers. Okay, there will always be a more multiples because a number are infinite. Understood? So now let's check further. Okay, further means what? Here again, what is a vast difference between factors and multiples? Okay, what is a vast difference between a factor and multiples? A number that divided a factor and multiples. So a factor, a number that divided in evenly into another number. What means, all students? A number that divided even a number that divides evenly into another number. I explain you all students, and you read the multiplus. A multiply 72 of a number 8. Okay, it's the product of the number 8 and any another number 9. So means 9 8s are 72. Okay, one more students here. I can explain you. Okay, in that chapter, means multiplication chapter, we learn that time what is a product, what is a factor, and what is the multiples. I hope you all are remember factor, multiply, factor. So v is equal to, we get the multiples, means 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 itself a factor, 1 is also factor, and 1 is also factor, means 1 2s are 2 is equal to 2. 1 2s are 2. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 2, 1 and 2 both is factor, and is equal to 2 is multiple. Okay, so that time we speak 2 is the multiple of 1. Yes, obviously 2 is the multiple of 1. Okay, I hope you all are understood. And how can we find, and how can we know 8 9s are 72? How many, my dear students? 8 9s are 72. Okay, and then after, in 9 divided by 72, means in table number 9 72 will become or not? Yes, obviously 72 will become on the table number 9. But where, my dear students? 9 8s are 72. Understood? Got my point, my dear students? Then after we move on for the 8 divided by 72. See here, same multiple, same multiply, but on a different way. It's the multiply, see, it's the multiply, it's the division, it's the division. Okay, my dear students, so what to do that time? That time we get the same answer. Okay, so 8 and 9 are factor of 72, and 72 is the multiple of 8 and 9. See answer all students. So this answer is of factors also come and multiply also come. See, 8 and 9 are factor of 72, means 8 or 9. See here what I am telling you, this factor, and this multiple. Okay, so we speak as like they, we called as like that. 8 and 9 are the factor of 72. See, 8 and 9 are the factor of 72, means we repeat both time. 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are 72. Okay, that things already I was told you as like that. 4 5s are 20 or 5 4s are 20. Okay, 9 9, okay, 9 8s are 72 or 8 9s are 72. Opposite system are also, so as that is a factors, no, all my dear students. So 8 and 9s are factor of 72, and the 72, and how can we speak the situation of the multiples? So 72 is the multiple of 8 or 9, and factor 8 and 9 are factor of 72. Understood, my dear students? So I hope you all are remember this all things. Okay. Okay, so now here again and again I repeat you multiples and factors. Okay, this both chapter are important, and this both chapters will come in our next exam. Okay, so students, this both chapter connected to each other. This both chapter connected to each other. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. So students, multiple and factors of number. Again I repeat students. Okay, but different example. Okay, so the multiple of the number is obtained by the multiplying it with another number. See, the multiply of a number is the obtained by multiplying it with another number. Understood? So example, let's check here. 112. Okay, the first 4 multiple of, okay, first 4 multiple 1 2 3 4, 1 12s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This right is opposite side, 12 2s are 24. Means, dear students, here we find the multiples of 12. What? Here we find the multiple of 12. See, multiple of 12. So 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. Okay. only 4 multiples of 12 here. Okay, and now factors of 12. Factors are that number. Factors are the number that are multiplied to get a given number. Means what? We multiply the number and these 12 factors we get answer. Okay, so 1 12s are 12, it's done. 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, and 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeat. Okay, 4 3s are 3, 4s are 12, 6 2s are 6, 2s are 2, 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay, we speak of both side. Okay, as like the 12 1s are 12, 1 12s are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12 or 4 3s are 12. Okay, the factor of 12s are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, so now I'll show you this one demo. See, factor of 20, factor of 20. That time in between I was speak that a multiple. 5 4s are 20 or 5 4s are 20 or 4 5s are 20. Both are same. But see this, it's called a factor of 20, factor of 20 and multiple of 5. 20 and multiple of 4, 20. Okay, so question is what, my dear students? Multiple of 20. So what should we write that? We should be write there 4 and 5 is the multiple of 20. Understood? I hope you now you all are understood better. Okay, that time I speak the factor of 20. So what should you write that time? 5 or 4. Understood? A factor of 20 is what? 5 or 4. Okay, and a multiple of 20 means a multiple of 4 is 20 multiple of 5. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so see here some example here, factor and multiple, how we convert. 2 is the factor of 16. 2 6 are 2 8 are 16. 2 is the factor of 16. 2 8 are in table number 2, 60 will become, yes, obviously 2 8 are 60. Okay, and 6 is the multiple of 2. Obviously in table number 2, 60 will become, obviously 2 8 are 16. As like that, second example, 3 is the factor of 20. Yes, obviously 3 7s are 21, and then opposite side 21 is the multiple of 3 means. Okay, so in table number 3, yes, 3 7s are 21. In table number 3, 21 will become, yes, 3 7s are 21. Okay, then after 5 is the factor of 45. What? 5 is the factor of 45. Yes, obviously, my dear students, 5 9s are 45. 45 is the multiple of what? I am not writing anything here. Okay, so you should be write that 45 is the multiple PLE of 5. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Again, an example of multiples, and then after I am taking the example of factor, and then we move on further the connecting. Okay, factor and multiples connecting with each other, that topic we are going to learn. So now let's check what is the multiple of 6. Okay, so here only the table of 6. See here, my dear student, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 10s are 16, and that infinite number means 6 multiplied by 110 is equal to 612. So that is a blue column, means in a blue digit all what is multiples: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 16. It's called a what? Multiple of 6. Understood, my dear students? Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 and 6 10s are 16. Understood? I hope you all are understood, dear students. And then example number 1. Find the factor of 12. Means already we have done, but again I repeat, my dear students. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 6 twos are 12, 2 6 are 12, 4 threes are 12, 3 fours are 12. It means the factor of 12 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Understood, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. And textual revision, textual concept we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, dear students.